Okay, so I just rearranged everything in my living room to pull this in here so I can show you about this clothes dryer. It's department-sized clothes dryer, which I think is so awesome. Yeah, it's so awesome. Like, whoever invented this was a genius, clearly. Let me get closer here and I'll show you. So you unzip it, and it does unzip the whole way to the bottom. I'm actually going to plug it in now and show you how it works. Sit back up here. You spin it this way, you can see here the motor is. And in the back is where the plug comes out. Okay, so I have this plugged in. So I'm going to turn this. And I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it slowly starting to fill out. I'm actually going to... My cat's like, what's going on? What is that? Gatsby, what is that? Oh boy. What is that, buddy? What is that? So when you turn it on and you set it to a time. So it can either be for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90, 120, 150, 180, or anywhere in between. It's actually getting pretty warm. I can feel it. So let me open this up. Oh, and I can feel it coming out here. It's like when you first open a dryer. You can see in there. See in here how it's pushing the air out those vents. I don't have it sitting quite even, it doesn't look like. There we go. But yeah, I mean, I'm really impressed. This is awesome. Definitely nice to have for a backup in case anything happens to your dryer. If you need to go on vacation, even if you're going camping and there's somewhere that has a outlet. A lot of places have public bathrooms or somewhere close by that you can go if you needed to, and you can just plug this in and wash your clothes. I mean, that's, again, I'm just mind blown. This is so awesome.